Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do another love bite for you. Capricorn, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. All right, Capricorn, let's begin your reading. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today. And welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again, for all your loving support to the channel, for all your lovely comments and likes. I'm very blessed. Thank you. And if you're new here, Capricorn, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So, Capricorn. All right. Oh, some renewals are on the horizon. Three of Wands is my overall energy for your reading. This is normally somebody waiting for their ships to come in. Let's see what's going to happen. Somebody is feeling very devastated here. Somebody's had a tower moment here, Capricorn. This could be you, could be your cross watcher. Somebody wants to return. Somebody wants to return. They're very bored at this imbalance that has happened in your connection. They're trying to find the courage to kind of maybe return. They want to heal things with the two of you. They don't want this situation or relationship to end. I think somebody is looking for a reconciliation or a rebirth of this connection. But of course, things change as we start clarifying. Let's see what shows up. I'm going to start, Capricorn, with some dialogue message cards for you. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then I'll start the clarification process. Okay? So, Capricorn and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Capricorn, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Oh, too many came out together. I'm going to do this again. Capricorn and their person spirit. Capricorn and their person. If they could say something to each other now. All right. Let's take a few more from here, Capricorn. Capricorn and their person. Capricorn and their person. Capricorn and their person. Right, and just a couple more from here, Capricorn. Mix it up a bit. Capricorn and that person. Oh, okay, all right. Okay, Capricorn, we're good to go now. Let's start your reading and see what you guys want to say to each other. First card here says, Capricorn, I'm haunted by your presence. I see you in my dreams. I hear you telepathically. Every song I hear reminds me of you, and I see your name everywhere. Numbers that have special meaning to us. Everything reminds me of you, and all I want is you. If this is happening to you, why do you stay at a distance? There's no escape for me when I try and move on. I'm haunted even more. Second card says, I'm at a breaking point right now because you apologize. However, you continue to make the same mistakes. This has become a toxic behavior which needs addressing if you want our relationship to work. Next card says, I feel your energy and receive your telepathy. See, second reference to telepathic communications. I feel your energy and receive your telepathy. I reach out and show you how much I care and offer you support. You read my messages and I feel you even more, but then you stay silent. Your telepathy is a contradiction to the silence. I simply can't understand this. If you love me, let me know. Let it show. If you don't love me, please set me free and let me go. You are my daily motivation. Your soul, the essence of who you are, inspires me and helps me navigate the path of life. Our love will never die because true love lasts forever. You're never alone because I'm your shadow. When you cry, I embrace you in spirit. When you're sad, I will help remind you to smile. I'm always there with you, even when you don't see me. So there's separation going on, it seems. I know that it's in our destiny to be together. We are to be united in mission and serve God's plan to spread love and light in this world. Our combined gifts are important to this world. I need some time to collect my thoughts. I enjoy your company, but I don't want a commitment. Maybe that's been the issue here. Our relationship has suffered irreparable damage. All right, Capricorn, if these are resonating with your storyline, let's start the clarification process. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card as always. Let's see what my angels have for you. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Capricorn. Blessing, steady progress. Yes, Capricorn, somebody wants to, I think, return and re-begin or make steady progress here. So please know energies can be flipped. This could be you, this could be your cross watcher. Take it how it resonates with your storyline, okay? So let's start. Ten of Swords in reverse, Spirit. What happened here? Ten of Swords in reverse. Some things came to a halt, a total stagnancy, screeching halt as I would call it. There was a tower moment, or somebody is feeling one right now because there's silence. You guys are not talking to each other. Maybe just trying to, somebody either broke promises here, maybe came in all flirtatious and everything, and it was romantic for a while, but didn't keep up any of their promises. And I think this person does want to return, but they're very burdened. They feel now if I return back, the other person is going to reject them. Tower, Spirit? What's this tower? What's this tower? Yes, they're realizing the imbalance has happened because they were unable to choose or unable to decide or make a decision. But the magnetic pull is there, the attraction is there. Somebody is hoping maybe for a return so that, this conflict can end now. Peace can be restored back to this connection, maybe even thinking of a commitment. Am I right, Spirit? Eight of Cups in reverse. Eight of Cups in reverse. Eight of Cups in reverse. Yes, somebody feels that they cheated, they lied. They maybe were trying to be one up or something and maybe tried to escape this connection, but it ended up making them not feel good. They hurt their partner, they hurt themselves. This is like devastation basically because of one person's lack of authenticity. But somebody does want to re-begin here. They want to start a brand new chapter. They want things to start flowing in a positive direction again. Capricorn. So why is that, Spirit? Four of Cups. Four of Cups. Why this change of heart? I think they were very blocked off at that point when they were asked to make a decision. Maybe they were unable or not ready to make a decision. They had their blindfold on, they had their swords on their chest to say, no, not yet, I'm not ready for a commitment. And they took too long, I think. They left their partner waiting, never kind of making any decision or whatever. And that's left them feeling now that the stagnancy has happened, I think somebody is feeling very now rejected, dejected, bored, lonely, sad. Nothing else is making sense to them. No other options are good enough anymore. All they can do is think about the one person who they want long term with, the Queen of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Why is that the central energy? Yes, I think this tower came down. Maybe this person who was unable to commit or something, they did something which caused this tower to fall. Right now they are very, very worried that the person must be very upset and angry with them. They, even if they go back, now they've created such an imbalance by maybe breadcrumbing such an important person in their life. This is an empress, and they've disrespected an empress, right? And they're fearing now that this empress is very upset and angry with them, may not even want to grow with, I mean, have any future with them, or have any, forward movement or fertility, abundance, or anything to do with them, because of this imbalance that has been created in this connection. So this person is kind of feeling a little cowardly. They don't have the strength right now. They don't have the courage. But they do know that they've done something really wrong. They are feeling the same pain that they've caused, I think, their person. They're feeling neglected, they're feeling left behind, they're feeling abandoned, exactly what they did to their person. I think this is justice, right? Do unto others as you want them to do to you. So now this person is feeling this brunt of the pain of being in isolation. They do want to move towards their happiness. They want to feel happy once again. So, Three of Swords in reverse. I think they want to come and heal this broken heart. Yes, they've taken some time out in reflection. They've been thinking about what they've done, what they shouldn't have done. And Three of Swords in reverse, Three of Swords in reverse. Right, so this person has spent some time in reflection and thinking about what they've done. This little period of being in isolation, or not being happy with anything else that's going on around them, it's given them a lot of time to think. And what they've come to is that this is my person, and I do want to now kind of heal the broken hearts. They don't want things to change between the two of you. They don't want this connection to end. Death in reverse. Yes, they want to now show up proper, Capricorn. They want to show up proper, like, somebody who's authentic, somebody who they can be an equal match to. They can be this King of Pentacles to the Queen of Pentacles, and show this person that, hey, I'm willing to take responsibility now. I don't want this chapter to end with you. So there is a big chance of a rebirth of this connection, Capricorn. Yes, oh my God, the kind of love that is going to pour out is unbelievable. Whoever this person is very ashamed and embarrassed right now, because I think maybe they were lying to themselves. They were hiding their emotions, or they were unable to express their emotions when they should have. But I think now they are going to be coming to heal something. They definitely want to have a rebirth. So what's this Three of Wands, Spirit, which was the overall energy of our reading? Three of Wands. Yeah, I think this person is, somebody walked away from them, and they haven't stopped waiting for things to change. One more, Spirit, for the Three of Wands. Now they look into the future. And they are seeing all their options, and nothing is making sense to them. Now this person is going to gather up their courage and come back, I feel. They feel my person has walked away, turned their back on me now, but they are going to be strong very soon. They are going to start making steady progress from what I see here. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Till next time then. I have a judgment card right here as well. So this is second time confirmation to say, yes, a rebirth is very possible of this connection, Capricorn. Somebody is passionate about you and going to come in very, very quick. Okay, and they're coming back to end this fight. They don't want this conflict anymore. They want to now get over any toxicity which has happened in this connection. So yes, that's all I have for you, Capricorn. Hope it worked for you. Do leave a like or a comment. Let me know. It really helps to know if I'm reaching out to you guys, okay? And newbies, don't forget to subscribe if you did. Lots of love. Take care. Love and light. Namaste. See you soon.